What do you think? How come Grandpa always seems so happy? If he's really sad, I'll meet inside. Well, it's not exactly sad. He just really misses Grandma. I never have asked the vanity. If I'd known what he really misses, Operation Cheer Up Grandpa. Think Grandpa will like that?
Peekaboo,
Sure he will.
peekaboo,
Found you
peekaboo.
again, Juju. My turn to
Joy hoppers. Say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye. That's close.
Sorry I asked you for the vanity.
Bye-bye. Oh, you almost did it. You said bye-bye.
Maybe this time
Bye-bye.
remember how much fun you and Grandma
Bye-bye. Okay. Well, that's close. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.